Alvy, what are you doing, dog?
Changing my shoes. I don't want them to get dirty. Is it? No? You fucking recording?
Oh, no. But it worked though.
Yeah. Oh, this is turf. This is turf right here.
Huh?
This is turf.
Oh, this is turf.
Yo, it's Alvy. Back for another video. Yo, it's Alvy. Back for another vlog. We're at Target right now. Gonna do a little bit of shopping.
Dude, they haven't seen me in a long time.
No, yeah, they have. I got a gift card.
Nobody missed me, so it was good.
Gonna buy some essentials.
Gang shit. What do you mean, no?
Wait.
What's up?
That fucking rain should ruin my vibe. If this cart makes a lot of noise, I'm not gonna freaking use it. Is it? Yeah. So I'm gonna change it. But anyways, at Target.
Bands make good dance. Bands make good dance.
Get some cereal.
Fireball.
If you're 21 and over, grab some Bailey's, the original. Grab some Mally. I don't think they have Midori, but Midori. And then whipped cream.
You know,
Shake it, and they become Scooby Snack. It's what they're called. The drink is called, and that shit's delicious.
You know, I have to start looking because I'm about to be 21.
Oh, damn.
For the first time, I want to see what looks coolest so I can drink because I've never tried this before.
Yeah.
Let's see what's coolest.
We have to. I'm gonna take it to Bebo one day.
It's cool.
21.
What you got there, buddy?
I told my ex-girl, you know what? Bye. Straight up. Dude, Easter's already freaking here. Shit's annoying how time flies, huh?
Yep.
Peep these peeps. This one's mine right here. Soccer bunny. Hey Wyatt.
What?
This year we're really going off. Golazo. Postazo.
Good dog. You have the dog filter on Snapchat? On? No. Can you do it?
There right now.
Oh. What other filter?
Quick shout out to Steven. Happy birthday, buddy. Even though this vlog is not gonna be released at your birthday, it's gonna be released like a week after your birthday, but happy birthday. Happy 21. It's 21 already, dude.
21.
Let's just say Vegas soon. It's like a good, like, chilling.
You're gonna burn your feet if you put them there.
What I mean?
There's a fire pit, dog. Ta-da! Ta-da! Like this. Look at the wings are way back here. They're torturing this one.
You're fucking dumb. Happy Pokemon Day. Today's Pokemon Day. Happy Pokemon Day to everybody. What is this? Oh, ears.
on, fam. Hold on. Shout out to Salamo real quick.
Shout out to Salamo one time.
One time.
Just one.
Two times.
Sorry, twice. You already know. One time.
Yeah, it looks like heaven, bro.
I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew in your face and laughed.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, what's up?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Just going home from work.
Cool.
What are you guys doing?
We were vlogging right now. We were at Target, but now we're out.
Have you guys ate?
No, we haven't ate. We're kind of hungry. What's up?
I'm watching you.
Huh?
Huh?
What
A
happened?
chicken nugget sandwich.
Wait, what happened?
I was watching YouTube the other day and I saw a challenge that we might try.
Uh-huh.
It's called the chicken nugget challenge.
Okay.
What is
I was thinking, I don't know if we can take it on, but it's 100 nuggets.
100 nuggets?
I don't know if you guys are down.
You know I'm a fucking fat ass, right?
That's like a whole chicken of nuggets, man.
That's the whole chicken and nuggets.
I'm done. You done?
Let's do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
100.
All right.
Where do we meet you?
Meet you at McDonald's.
All right.
Okay.
See you there.
Okay.
Gang.
We're here. We're here. Okay,
We have the 4, 6, 10, 20, and 40.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do it.
40s? And the 20?
That should be good. So now let's begin. Jasmine's gonna be camera girl.
How was it, guys?
A little easier than I expected.
Yeah, it was easier than I expected. Mission accomplished. Challenge complete. I think it would have been a lot harder if it would have just been us two.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have finished. Yeah, I'm already done.
Maybe because I'm fat ass, I could have maybe like had one more box. But maybe because I'm Next challenge,
Hit the gym.
50 chicken nuggets each with Salomon included. Shout out Salomon. Whoever finishes the 50 wins. I don't know what we'll win, but we'll win something. I'm already throwing up thinking about it.